Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I want to show you how you can upload Facebook Reels on Facebook, even if the Reels option is not yet available in your country. Now, just like in my country, Nigeria, the Reels option is not yet available in my country, but I can still upload Reels on Facebook. Now, normally if you open your Facebook app and go to your Facebook profile, scroll down a little bit to these what's on your mind feature, you're going to find the Reels option just below it, so you can be able to upload Reels on there. But it's not here because the Reels option is not yet available in my country, Nigeria. So I will show you a simple way that you can still use to upload Reels on your Facebook app. Now, as we know, the Reels option has been there on Instagram and on Snapchat. So the best alternative is to go to your Instagram app and create this Reels, and then you can be able to share it on your Facebook app. Now, let me show you how you can share this Reels from your Instagram app to your Facebook app. Now, go ahead and locate your Instagram app, open it. Now, if you've already started creating these Reels on um, Instagram, then you should have them on your Instagram profile. But if you haven't, then just go to your Instagram profile and click on this plus button at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you do that, you have the option to create reels right here. Now, I've already created a reels on Instagram, so I'm just going to open it right here. It's right here on my profile, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to click on this watch more reels. Now, if I do that, I'll have the option to share this reels to my Facebook app. Now, if you notice here, there's this three little dot just here. So I'm going to click on this three little dot, then I'll have this option to share to. So I'm going to click on the share to, and then I'll have the option to share it to so many social medias, including Facebook. Now I'm going to click on this Facebook, and then it will ask me to upload it to my feed. So I'm just going to write something about it. I'll just say, okay, let me just give it a caption. You can just say friends forever. All right, after that, I'm just going to click on this post, and then it has been shared on Facebook. So let me just go to my Facebook app and confirm if this has been shared on my Facebook. Now I'm going to go to my profile and scroll down to see. All right, as you can see, it was posted here. So guys, this is the best alternative way to share or use the reels option on Facebook. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you think it was, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.